Yeah, I'm just here at the booth for West Coast Windows. We've been using them for years, so we just wanted to show our clients some of the options that West Coast Windows have. You can see this one back here, which is a very traditional window. I really love the look of this window. It looks like wood, and it lasts a lot longer than wood. The exterior, even though it looks like wood, is actually vinyl, but the interior is actually Douglas fir. So you can have the best of both worlds. You can have the beautiful wood on the inside and the vinyl that lasts a lot longer and doesn't require painting on the outside. So this is the beautiful fir interior that West Coast Windows can do. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, it's vinyl on the outside, so it's low maintenance, but it's beautiful Douglas fir on the inside that you can leave natural or stain to just about any color that you want within reason. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you another one of West Coast Windows that we use commonly. This is just your standard vinyl window, double pane slider. Very basic window, but very reliable. Now, most of the time you'll see the windows in white, but West Coast Windows, for our clients, will paint it in just about any color we want. It does have to come from a standard palette of colors, but there is quite a few colors to choose from. And then just one final word on West Coast Windows. They do a lot of traditional windows, a lot of amazing windows that match up well with character homes and heritage homes or West Coast homes. But they also do, as you can see from behind me, a lot of very modern, sleek windows that go in very well and mix in very well with a lot of the modern architectural designs. Thanks for looking at this video.